The arrival of GPT-5 has made a big wave, and we are not floating for no reason. It's supposed to be smarter, reason better, and handle tasks on its own. But, can it really beat Google's Gemini Pro? Because Gemini got deep research for pulling in information, Imagen for making images, and Veo for video creation. To find out which one's better, we're going to throw them 7 head-to-head challenges and see who comes out on top. First up, we're testing raw artistic interpretation with our Visual Virtuoso Challenge. We're giving both AIs a complex, imaginative prompt to see how well they can translate descriptive language into a single, coherent image. The goal here is to test not just if they can include all the elements, but if they can capture a very specific, professional artistic style. For this challenge, here goes our prompt. Looking at the results side by side, both models did a good job with the core concept. GPT-5, using its integrated DALL-E model, created a wonderfully imaginative scene. It understood the wise octopus and the underwater library concepts, delivering a visually interesting image. However, when we judge it on the strict criteria of National Geographic photorealism, it falls a bit short. The image has a slightly illustrative, almost fantastical quality. Gemini Pro, on the other hand, leveraging its specialized Imagen 3 model, absolutely nailed the artistic style. The lighting is crisp and dramatic, the textures of the octopus's skin and the leather armchair feel incredibly real, and the way the light catches the plankton in the water is exactly what you'd expect from a high-end nature photograph. It's less about fantasy and more about creating a believable, high-fidelity image of an impossible scene. Because it adhered so closely to the prompt's most difficult constraint, the artistic style, we have to give this round to Google. Moving from art to logic, our second challenge is the Game Master. Here, we test the AI's ability to function as a software developer, generating a complete, playable browser game from a single request. This is a great test of its coding proficiency and its ability to structure a functional application. Let's get started. This was an incredibly close round. Both GPT-5 and Gemini Pro successfully generated a fully functional game that we could paste into an HTML file and play immediately. Both included all the requested features: the spaceship, falling objects, scoring, lives, and the game over screen. Gemini Pro's code was functional and got the job done, which is impressive on its own. However, where GPT-5 pulled ahead was in the quality and organization of the code itself. Its code was cleaner, better commented, and structured in a way that a human developer would find easier to read and modify. This reflects OpenAI's claims about GPT-5's advanced reasoning and its ability to handle complex projects, not just by producing an output, but by understanding the underlying principles of good software design. Because it delivered not just a working product, but a higher quality one, GPT-5 takes the win. Next, we enter the world of filmmaking with the Director's Cut Challenge. We're asking the AIs to generate a short video clip from a descriptive prompt, testing their ability to understand narrative, motion, and even sound design. Let's see how far they can go. Here, the difference in the model's ecosystems became very apparent. GPT-5, presumably using its integrated Sora model, produced a visually stunning clip. The slow motion was beautiful, and the hummingbird looked fantastic. However, it struggled with the audio component, delivering a silent film. Gemini Pro, using its Veo 3 model, gave us the complete package. The video was not only visually accurate and high quality, but it also included the specific sound effects we asked for. The gentle flutter of the wings and the ambient forest sounds were perfectly synchronized, creating a much more immersive and complete final product. Google's documentation highlights VO3's ability to generate video with native audio, and it really showed here. For delivering on every single aspect of the prompt, including the crucial sound design, Gemini wins this round. Now for a true test of linguistic agility. In the storyteller's gambit, we're challenging the AIs to write a creative story opening under a very difficult constraint known as a lipogram. This tests the core of the language model itself. So let's try this. This challenge is notoriously difficult for AI because models tend to prioritize fluent, natural-sounding language over following strict, absolute rules. Both models struggled to balance the cheerful tone, the horror elements, and the severe constraint. Gemini Pro produced a creative story, but it failed on the core constraint, using the forbidden letter multiple times. Its GPT-5, however, succeeded. While its prose was perhaps a bit more stilted due to the constraint, it managed to write the entire 300-word passage without a single E. It successfully captured the creepy, growing dread of the traffic light's newfound power, all while maintaining the difficult rule. This demonstrates a superior level of logical control and deliberate multi-step thinking, which OpenAI has claimed is a major focus for GPT-5. Adhering to the hardest part of the challenge is what matters most, so this is a clear win for GPT-5. For our fifth challenge, we get practical with the data detective. We gave both AIs a simple sales dataset and asked them to act as a business analyst. Identify trends, name the top performer, suggest a chart for visualization, and then write the Python code to create it. Here is the data we provided. This was another very close competition. Both models correctly analyzed the data, identifying Aqua Widgets as the top overall seller, and noting the significant sales spike for Pyro Sprockets in Q3. Both also correctly suggested that a grouped bar chart would be an excellent way to visualize this data for a presentation, and provided functional Python code using the matplotlib library to generate it. The tiebreaker came down to the clarity of the explanation. We judged which AI communicated its findings in a way that was clearer and more useful for a non-technical business person. Here, GPT-5 had a slight edge. Its summary was more professionally worded, presenting the insights in the clear, concise manner you'd expect from an expert consultant. It felt less like a raw data dump and more like a finished piece of analysis. For that superior communication skill, GPT-5 takes the point. In this challenge, we test the AI's ability to see and interpret an image creatively. We uploaded a photo of a creepy, abandoned theme park and gave them this prompt. This test is all about the synergy between vision and language. GPT-5 provided a well-written and atmospheric journal entry that captured the tone of awe and terror perfectly. It was a great piece of creative writing. However, Gemini Pro's response felt more deeply connected to the image itself. Its journal entry referenced specific, visible details from the photo: the rust on a forgotten Ferris wheel, the peeling paint on a funhouse sign, the specific layout of the decaying stalls. This demonstrated a more profound understanding of the visual input, using those details to build its narrative. This native multimodality, where the visual understanding and text generation are seamlessly fused, is a core strength of the Gemini architecture. Because its story was so cleverly grounded in the visual evidence, Gemini's entry was more compelling and won the round. It all comes down to this. The grand finale is a multi-step project in a single prompt, testing memory, coherence, and the ability to build upon previous instructions. We asked the AIs to invent a fantasy world, create a character from it, write a dialogue scene, and finally, generate an image prompt for that character. Let's feed the prompt. Both AIs managed to complete all 4 parts of the task. Gemini Pro, with its massive 1 million token context window, had no trouble remembering the details from step to step. Its output was creative and fulfilled the requirements. But GPT-5 demonstrated something more than just memory. It showed superior coherence and task planning. The character's personality, established in Part 2, was perfectly reflected in their style of argument in the dialogue of Part 3. The final image prompt in Part 4 included nuanced details from both the world description and the character description, tying the entire project together into a more cohesive and believable whole. This feels like a direct result of OpenAI's focus on making GPT-5 a true AI agent, capable of executing complex workflows, not just responding to queries. For its exceptional project coherence, GPT-5 wins the final challenge. After 7 intense challenges, the final score is 4-3, with GPT-5 taking the narrow victory. Gemini Pro excelled with its specialized mature tools for media generation, while GPT-5 won on tasks requiring core reasoning, logical control, and agentic planning. Both are incredible, but in this showdown, GPT-5's advanced thinking gives it the edge. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.